Hello friends, today we are going to learn data types in PHP. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video and follow my Instagram page. Okay, what is data type? Variable and store data of different types and different data types can do different things. Okay, when we are creating a variable, then we have to uh, part size of the variable, and this size is already defined in when the server or compiler is made. uh, in normal PHP we have four types of data types: string, integer, float, boolean. What is string? A string is a sequence of character like hello world. A string is like your name, like my channel name is Red. This is a one type of string. Okay. An integer data type is a non-decimal number between minus two anything. These two long numbers, I just n- write it. But integer is like a one to n. Integer must have at least a one digit, and integer must not have a decimal point. If the integer have a decimal point, then it is a OLED, double, or float. Okay. Uh, and now float. A float is a number with a decimal point or a number. Yes, in exponential form. Okay. When we are talking 0.1, this is a n one type of float. And what is boolean? Boolean is like true or false. When we have some condition like this is true or false, we have to store something. This is right, true. Yeah, this is false. Okay, we store it. We here, if you want to store any variable or data types, I will show you a one demo. Okay, last time we are doing done one hello world program. Okay, now we have data types dot php. Okay, in this video we are just storing some data in various, checking that variable is exist or not. We have to create a one variable like str, and this str is storing one string named hello. Okay, let's check this is working or not. Hello str. Hello is used for printing that variable. Now open any browser and write it localhost php youtube. Okay, okay, wait, what, I made a mistake. Y o u t y. Okay, game server is not on. Start server and now run it. Okay, hello world is running, but we have to just change the real file name data type dot php. Okay, now this is hello is printing. Now if you want to print just number, then install 20 and just print like this. Okay, just refresh the page. This is working. If you want to do any other thing, then you can do it by yourself. Just uh, print here if you want to here part point 23, then this will be printing point 23. It is possible. Try by yourself and explore that thing. And thank you very much. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you find this video is helpful, then please help me to reach more people and give me some topics to make the new videos. I will make happy to make the new videos on different points of any topics or programming. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.